So ninth part of question number 5 of exercise 8.4. Cosec A minus sine A times sec A minus cos A equals 1 by tan A plus cot A. Let us first convert every operator in terms of simple sine and cos, because in order to make when you'll convert them into sine and cos, it'll be easier to calculate the things, because tan and cot also be converted into sine and cos. And if you're not getting the left hand side equal to the right hand side directly, we can simplify left side individually, and then we can simplify the right side also. So let us first solve the left side of the equation. So cosec A can be written as 1 divided by sine A minus sine A, and sine A can be written as sine A by 1, right? Because everything is having a division of 1 there, but we don't write it usually. But when we have to calculate the LCM, at that moment, if we will show it, it becomes easier. So sec A can be written as 1 by cos A minus cos A divided by 1. So the left side, this term, can be taken as, the LCM of that can be taken as sine A. So sine A. And in the numerator, you're having 1 minus 1 multiplied by what is sine A? 1 multiplied by sine A is sine A. That sine A multiplied by sine A will be sine square A. Sine square A, right? In the same way, you're having the denominator as cos A LCM, right? And 1 cos A multiplied by what is cos A? Cos A multiplied by 1 is cos A. 1 multiplied by 1 will be 1. So you can write 1 minus 1 multiplied by what is cos A? 1 multiplied by cos A is cos A. So cos A multiplied by cos A will be cos square A. So cos square A. And you know the formula, sine square A plus cos square A equals 1. So if we want to calculate cos square A, you'll be having 1 minus sine square A. So instead of 1 minus sine square A, we can write cos square A. Cos square A divided by sine A multiplied by. Instead of 1 minus cos square A, what we can write? 1 minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A equals sine square A. So instead of 1 minus cos square A, we can write sine square A. Sine square A divided by cos A. So we can simplify it further. Cos square A divided by cos A will be cos A, right? Because 1 cos A will cancel out. Sine square A divided by sine A will be sine A. So you're getting the simplified form as cos A multiplied by sine A, but you're still not getting the answer. You're still not getting the right hand side, 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. So now we can take the right hand side of the equation, 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. So let us take 1 divided by tan A plus cot A. So taking RHS and taking the different color, 1 divided by tan A plus cot A, converting them also in terms of sine and cos. 1 divided by tan A means sine A by cos A, plus cot A means cos A divided by sine A. So this can be simplified further as 1 divided by, in the denominator you can write sine A cos A as the sine A cos A. You can write it as the LCM. So cos A multiplied by what is sine A cos A? Sine A. Sine A multiplied by sine A will be sine square A. Sine square A plus sine A multiplied by what is sine A cos A? Sine A multiplied by cos A will be sine A cos A. So cos A multiplied by cos A will be cos square A. Cos square A. So this can be further simplified as 1 divided by sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1 divided by sine A cos A. It's actually in the numerator 1 divided by 1 whole divided by 1 divided by sine a cos a. So this can be written as a by b divided by c by d can be written as a by b multiplied by d by c. So d by c is sine a cos a divided by 1. So that is equal to sine a cos a, and that's it. That is the thing which we got on the left hand side, sine a cos a here and sine a cos a here. So left side equals right side.